Hydrogen technology is an important driving force for sustainable mobility. That is why the German Fuel Cell Corporation has been established, to provide you with aligned production equipment for fuel cell or electrolyzer applications. Within each fuel cell, hundreds of bipolar plates and other components are stacked to create an energy-generating unit. If the bipolar plates are made of stainless steel, they can be thinner. That makes them lighter, more mechanically stable, and cheaper to produce. These metal bipolar plates and the resulting stacks are created in a sequence of sophisticated process steps, and each member of the corporation specializes in specific steps. Together, we can offer you a unique set of benefits. A high process reliability due to our bundled expertise for every production step, traceability for the entire production chain, a flexible and scalable system configuration from pilot to high volume production, fully automated production lines with aligned interfaces, pre-validation based on initial process options and supported by in-house prototyping or sample manufacturing, and a short time to market, thanks to predefined hardware and software interfaces. Now, let's take a look at the expertise of each member. Functional coatings make stainless steel bipolar plates conductive and protect them against corrosion. And this is where Von Ardenne has decades of experience.
Von Ardenne is an expert in thin film coating technology and machine engineering. We are combining both strengths into advanced vacuum coating equipment. Considering typical bipolar plate production approaches, Von Ardenne provides machine concepts for both metal strip coating and bipolar plate coating. The two methods are also called pre-coating and post-coating. You can count on Von Ardenne as a partner from your market entry until mass production. We will translate your process technology requirements into all sizes of machines. We are using our key PVD coating technologies, magnetron sputtering and electron beam evaporation. And we can scale your coating throughput from the R&D stage to high volume production based on our broad portfolio of modular equipment.
The specialty of vial technology is metal laser cutting, optical inspection, and laser welding.
For over 30 years, vial technology has been building machines and systems for laser cutting and welding. The requirements for bipolar plates are particularly high. Their welds must be fluid and gas-tight over the complete lifetime cycle of a fuel cell. With our dual felt scanner technology, we achieve excellent welding results at a high welding speed. The system can be adapted to highly scalable production solutions. We support our customers from the welding of the first prototypes up to the serious production.
Zeltwanger is specialized in the leak testing and automated assembly of bipolar plates.
Zeltwanger is your universal partner for leak testing and automated assembly. For fuel cells, we cover the whole spectrum of leak testing for bipolar plates, fuel cell stacks, and fuel cell systems. From the testing of the first bipolar plates at our lab up to semi and fully automated testing stations, we are your partner on the way to fuel cell manufacturing. Apart from leak testing, we also offer semi or fully automated stacking equipment for the production of fuel cell stacks. In all those areas, we always focus on flexibility, precision, and scalability.
Together, we are ready to help you implement your fuel cell or electrolyzer production. Let's seize the potential of fuel cells for a future with sustainable energy generation.